If you are in grade 10 STEM pathway, you are guaranteed to meet these two questions in your first exam of biology. And 90% of the students usually get it wrong. So in less than 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to answer them and get the full marks. And the questions are as follows. The first question is, state the reason why biology is important to human beings. This is 4 marks. And the second question is asking, explain 3 ways biology helps farmers to increase food production. And this question is 6 marks. So let's begin with the first question, which says, state 2 reasons why biology is important to human being. And the following responses are correct. 1 is selective breeding of crops and livestock. Secondly is development of biological pest control methods. The third point is understanding soil biology to improve soil fertility. And the last point is genetic modification to create disease-resistant crops. The second question, which is B, says, explain 3 ways biology helps farmers to increase food production. And this is 6 marks, so we need to give 3 good strong points. So 1, by developing high-yield crop varieties through breeding and genetic engineering. The second point is by providing knowledge on controlling pests and diseases that destroy crops. And the last point is by informing best practices in animal husbandry, such as proper nutrition and disease management to increase livestock